Hi everyone. So how are you all? Happy afternoon, everyone. So I'll wait people to join. Huh. Okay. Okay. In today's live, we have um, Banarasi silver pattu fancy sarees and Kanchipuram. We have seen in previous life Kanchipuram fancy sarees, pattu sarees with a very good quality. So in this live we are seeing Kanchipuram pattu in Malai pattu, and I have quoted it as Melody silk. The ఒకసారి రెండు ఒక్కొక్కటి ఇవ్వు చెప్తా అది ఇవ్వు అది ఒక yeah. So this is one design. This is Banarasi Melody Pattu. So why this is Melody Pattu? The sari is like very silk and very soft. It's a very free flowing sari, and it is also a party wear sari. So in this we have colors. So we have two price ranges for today's show. One is 2250 and another one is 2550. This is in the price range of 2250. This is the Melody silk which I'm telling. So you will be having a water drop butta on this. So we'll start seeing. So inkokati ivu. So this is Malai Pattu. So in this I have some color combinations. Mostly in this time in this Malai Pattu we are doing mostly of the gold and the pastel shade pattu sarees we have. So who want to see those collection, please stay tuned, because I have it in the after some time I will be showing that. So this is Malai Pattu. Okay, first we'll adi chuppi adi chesa saree. First we'll start seeing the Banarasi Melody Pattu, which is of full silver zari weaving. These are very soft silk. Ati pallu. So the first one is lemon yellow with the teal blue color border. So this is how it looks. These are absolutely very pretty. I just love the flowiness of the sari. So these are not heavy as well. These are moderate weight and full silver zari weaving you will be having. So this is in the lemon yellow color with the teal blue color combination. It's a very rare color combination. So this is the first one I'm showing because this is my favorite color as well. So the price of all these sarees is 2250, and I have 9 colors in this catalog. So I have limited pieces, 1 piece, 2 piece like that. So these are lightweight sarees only. Who are asking, Priyanka, lightweight simple pattu sarees, these are all lightweight only. So this is the pallu. You will be getting it in the teal blue color. So if you see for all these sarees, so this is the butta with the silver zari weaving. So these are all water drop design. So in the border you will be having this. So it will be like this. If you blouse pettu. So it's very easy to patkova. So it's very easy to drape also. So yes, this is in this color combination. The price of this is 2250. Free shipping whoever books in this video call. Blouse chupinchappudu. So for the blouse we'll be getting this butta in the teal blue color butta. You'll be getting with the silver zari. So this is the sari. It's a very pretty sari. So only first sari I'm taking some time to explain, so that you'll have a better idea, people who are joining now. So yes, this is lemon yellow, very beautiful bright lemon yellow with the teal blue color combination, and this is the pallu with the cute tassels you'll be getting for the pallu. The price is 2250. Okay, this is how it looks. This is sari number 1. I have given it as a code. This is M1. These are Melody Pattu. So this is also very new in the market. You will not get anywhere for sure. We are directly getting it from the mills where they are manufactured. So the code is M1 for this. M2. So M2 is in the half white with the pink color combination. So this is also very very beautiful color combination. You can see half white or cream color with the pink color combination. Okay, for casual parties, small parties or weddings or anything, so this looks absolutely very good. So these are or people of our age group, we don't like really bulky sarees. We like the sarees of lightweight and which looks fancy, that too at the same time which looks rich. So this type you can pick. So you can see how beautiful it is. Blouse picture. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Blouse is also not plain. Patkune undu. Blouse is also not plain. So this is the blouse with the small flowers, cute flowers, silver booties you will be getting. So this is how it looks. Half white with the pink color combination. From far you might not be able to see the design. But this is the design. You will be having a self weaving design. You can see water drop model, and in the border you will be having the flower. The price of all the Melody Pattu sarees, the price is 2250, and I assure you for the quality of the saree, these are absolutely smooth, and I can really bet on those. So this is the pallu you'll be having. So this is saree with pallu. See, it's very easy to drape also. This is the pallu. Okay, this is M2. The price is 2250, off white with the pink color. So the next one is in the peacock green. So these are all bright color catalogs. I mean, these are all taken only for in the view that people are mostly liking fancy color combination, either in the traditional wear or in the modern wear. So this is in the peacock green or emerald green with the pink color combination. Okay, you can nicely wear it on a single layer also. It looks very good because it is silky. It's very easy to carry also. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. This is the pallu with the tassels. This is emerald green with the pink color combination. So this is the blouse you'll be getting. Nice bright color combination. Teluguna. Okay. So ido chesi price 2250. ఇవన్నీ బనారస్ మెలడీ పట్టు శారీస్. సో ఇది టీల్ ఎమరల్డ్ గ్రీన్ విత్ పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ వస్తుంది. పట్టుకో. సో ఇవన్నీ చాలా సాఫ్ట్ సిల్క్ శారీస్ అండ్ చాలా ఈజీ డ్రైప్ చేసుకోవడానికి కూడా. సో ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ బి హెవీగా ఉండదు బాడీ మీద వేసుకున్నప్పుడు. సో చాలా సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ పిన్స్ పెట్టుకునే దానికి, ఇట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేసుకునే దానికి వెరీ ఈజీ. It looks very rich and also very affordable. Okay, this is how it looks. Price వచ్చేసి 2250 for this saree, and this green and this is a mix of like blue and green color. Price is 2250. This is M3. Next is in the blue with the pink color combination. So all over the saree వచ్చేసి silver zari weaving ఉంటుంది. So this is also a very bright color combination. Yeah, all are very nice. I'm frankly telling you, 9 colors ఉన్నాయి. 9 colors అంతా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్లా స్టెప్స్ పెట్టుకునే కూడా ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు డ్రేప్ అండ్ పుట్ ద స్టెప్స్. వెరీ కంఫర్టబుల్. అంటే ఇట్లా ఉండిపోవడం, పైకి లెగడం అలా ఉండదు ఈ శారీస్. చాలా ఫ్లోయిగా ఉంటుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ దిస్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ సిల్వర్ జరీ కాబట్టి పట్టు వీవింగ్, ఇట్ లుక్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. బ్లౌజ్ పెట్. సో సేమ్ బార్డర్ కలర్ వస్తుంది దీనికి కూడా బ్లౌజ్. This is the blouse. The blouse attached వస్తుంది అన్ని sarees కి. So this is how it looks, blue with the pink color combination. So the price of all these sarees is 2250. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu with the tassels వస్తుంది. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, it's very beautiful. This blue color also. చాలా మందికి blue color కూడా ఇష్టం అవుతుంది. So blouse including. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is M4, huh? Okay. Next is M5. It's a very pretty and favorite combination for most of the people. This is in the mustard yellow color with the pink color combination. Yellow pink is always a hit combination kada. All the colors at once, how is it possible, right? It's not possible to show all the colors at once kada. So yeah, this is how it looks, yellow with the pink color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very pretty and very beautiful yellow pink color combination. This is one of my favorite color combinations also. Okay, bandhani frocks. Bandhani frocks, which I am wearing is a bandhani frock that I will be telling at the end of the session. Okay, yeah, yellow with the pink color combination. Blouse is also in the pink color. Nice bright contrast pink color combination వస్తుంది. The price of this is also 2250. Free shipping. Okay, this is how it looks, yellow with the pink color combination, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu with the tassels you'll be getting. Pallu design is this. This is
M5.
This is M5, yellow with the pink color combination. Okay, next. Next is very beautiful parrot or radium green with the pink color combination. ఇవన్నీ లో కాస్టే మాధురి. అంతకన్నా లో కాస్ట్ అంటే మీకు క్వాలిటీ రాదండి, దట్స్ ఫర్ షూర్. మాధురి కోటి యూఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ లో కాస్ట్ కాంచీపురం శారీస్. కాంచీపురం శారీస్ అంటేనే దే ఆర్ హై కాస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం లో కాస్ట్లో డిజైన్స్ బాగుండేలాగా చేస్తాం. లో కాస్ట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ 2000, 1900 to 2000 రేంజ్. ఇంకా లో కాస్ట్ అంటే మీకు క్వాలిటీ అస్సలు బాగుండదు, చాలా వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది. So Ochala I'm showing are a very good quality, at the same time affordable price also. So anyways, this is in the radium green color with the pink color combination. Blouse. So this is the blouse, pink with the green color combination వస్తుంది. So just to show the design again, from far it is looking like there is no design kada. So this is the design, water drop model. Design will be there all over with full silver zari weaving. So some of the people while booking they are asking on the back side threads వచ్చేస్తాయా అని. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ థ్రెడ్స్ ఏమీ రావు. సో జరీ వీవింగ్ నైస్గా ఫినిష్ చేసి ఉంటుంది బ్యాక్ సైడ్ కూడా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్రంట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice pretty radium parrot green with the pink color combination. So this is the pallu with the tassels. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 2250 pink. This is the code of this is M6. So this is a new color combination. This is grayish blue. సో బ్లూ కలర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో గ్రే షేడ్ వస్తుంది. సో దీనిపైన ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ సిల్వర్ ఎవిడెంట్గా కనిపిస్తుంది, సిల్వర్ సారీ వచ్చేసి. ఓకే, బ్లౌజ్ పెట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ గ్రేయిష్ బ్లూ విత్ ద పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్, ఫ్లవర్స్ వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. సో ఇది, so this is a new color combination. So far which I am showing, for me also I love all the colors because అన్ని మంచిగా బ్రైట్గా ఫ్యాన్సీగా కొంచెం ట్రెండీ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో somebody asked me to speak in Telugu. నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడేసాను ఇప్పుడు దాకా. సో ఫర్ అదర్ పీపుల్ టు జాయిన్ అండర్స్టాండ్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ప్లీజ్ హోప్ యూ డోంట్ మైండ్ అండ్ డూ ఫాలో. దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద గ్రే కలర్. సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కలర్ ఇఫ్ I wanted to show, so this is the exact color which you will be getting. On the blue color background you will be having that grey tinge with the silver zari. Okay, this is how it is, grayish blue with the pink color combination with pallu. This is the pallu. Okay, M6 ide. This is M7. So the code of this is M7. Nice, very pretty grayish blue with the pink color combination. Code is M7. The price is 2250. Free shipping. Next is people's favorite. This is in the pink with the blue color combination. This is violet blue, royal blue kaakunda. This is in the violet blue color combination. This is how it is. Mari bright dark rani pink kaakunda, it's a subtle pink. It's like peach pink ostundi. Blouse వచ్చేసి you will get it in the blue color as that of the border. All the sarees are for 2250. Okay, so this is in the nice peach pink. Peach కొంచెం రాణి పింక్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. Peach pink with the violet blue color border. Okay, this is how it is to get a nicer view. Okay, see, very easy. I'm just showing, I'm trying to show the quality or you know the drapeability of the saree. So this is very easy to wear like this or on the single pleat. It's very flowy also. It's very comfortable to put on. At the same time it looks very elegant. So pink with the blue color combination. So yeah, pink with the blue color combination with the blue color pallu. Okay, the price is 2250. 2250 is the price with free shipping. This includes free shipping also. All have all the sarees also have a blouse. Okay, this is how it looks. Pink with the blue. This is M8.
8.
This is M8. Pink with the blue color combination. Very pretty. Peach pink. Okay, next is in the red color. Without red we can't end this catalog. So this is in the red with the green color combination. So yeah, this is how it looks. So blouse kuda vachesi green color lo vastundi. So this is the green color blouse you will be getting with the small silver booties. So if I come near, you are able to see, right? Chana, it will be very rich, elegant also. I just came forward just to show you how it looks in real ga koncham daggar nunchi. Okay, the price of this sarees is also 2250. From far it looks like this. So these are all Melody Pattu sarees. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting it with the tassels. So this is the pallu you will be having. Okay, this is the last one in this Melody Pattu catalog. So all these sarees are for 2250. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me. Whoever books in this live show, they'll be getting a free shipping. And yeah, with this we are done with Melody Pattu sarees. Next one is Malai Pattu. Kanchipuram Malai Pattu sarees. We have a very beautiful pastels in this. Kanchipuram Pattu sarees lo generally we don't get pastel colors kada, but I'm going to show you some very pretty pastel sarees. Evaraithe chudalanu, whoever wants to see, please stay tuned here. So in this particular saree we have 9 colors. Till M9 I have shown all the colors. So next we are going to the Kanchipuram Malai Pattu sarees. So in this catalog we have mostly 1 piece and 2 piece ఉన్నాయండి. సో అన్నిట్లోనూ, because all are some rare color combinations, కొంచెం it has come like a designer piece. And mostly we don't have dark colors in this Kanchipuram for this session. So I'll plan it for the next session for sure. సో ఈ సెషన్లో ఈ కాంచీపురం మలై పట్టు సారీస్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్ ద గోల్డ్ షేడ్, ఇన్ ద సిల్వర్ షేడ్లోనే పేస్టల్ కలర్స్ ఉంది. Definitely you'll love those color combinations, I'm pretty sure. So this is in the gold background lo vastundi. So yeah, this is the self design you'll be getting for the gold sarees. So this is the green border. So green border వచ్చేసి you'll be having it with the peacocks, big border వస్తుంది. So this is a gold color combination saree. So big border వస్తుంది on one side. Either you can wear it on single pleat like this so that the peacock design will be seen. Okay, ఇట్లా peacock design అంతా కనిపిస్తుంది. Otherwise you can put the steps also. కొంచెం బుటాని లోపలికి టక్ ఇన్ చేసుకుని బ్లౌజ్ బ్రో అటు సైడ్ ఉందా? Yeah, this is how it looks. The price is 2550. So this is the pallu you'll be this is the blouse you'll be getting. Blouse is also very rich. Idantha hand ki vastundi. Itla this side it will come on the hand with full silver zari. This is the pallu. Pallu you'll be having a short pallu vastundi. So the price of this is 2550, gold with the green color border. Okay, hope it's clear. Yeah, next is with the gold with the pink color combination. This time we have picked all the golds. See, last time people have asked most of the gold color combinations. So this is gold with the pink color combination. So ఇది చాలా prettyగా ఉంది. So pink color combination లో pink color gold zari, దానిపైన flowers embroidery వచ్చింది in orange and pink color. So this is how it looks. Single pleat మీద కూడా it looks very good. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Blouse is like this. So this is the golden zari weaving blouse. Itla vastundi. So these are all Malai Pattu. Idi Malai Pattu tissue. Malai Pattu lo two colors, two varieties unnai. One is Malai Pattu normal and this is Malai Pattu tissue. Okay, the price of this is also 2550. Yeah, see how pretty it is when you put it. Manchiga bridal saree look vastundi. Yeah, this is how it looks. It is just for 2550. Okay, yeah, next. This is P2 or P3 ah?
P2.
So P1 and P2 I have shown. This is P3. This is pink.
Okay.
So this is also the same kind of saree with the gold with the pink color combination. So design vachesi you will be having it like this. So this is the design you will be having, self design. So pink color border on both the sides. So little difference adedi aa saree. So దీనికి గ్రీన్ లీవ్స్ కూడా వచ్చింది డిజైన్లో, ఉల్టా ఉల్టా. So this is the P2 saree which I have shown. For this there is only pink and orange flowers. For this you have pink orange with the green color leaf as well. Koncham just look out for the difference. So this is P3. So this is how it looks. So when this leaves comes on kada, koncham it looks more elegant. So that doesn't have this green leaves. So this is how it looks. So this is the pink blouse you will be getting. So this is the pallu, the shorter one is the pallu. So this is the blouse you will be getting. The price of this is also 2550. Okay, this is how it looks. 2550 free shipping. Next, P4. So this particular piece is very very pretty and I have only single piece in this. Code
Or P4.
P4. P4, yeah, P4. I have only single piece anamata. Whoever comes first I can give it to them only because this is absolutely a very pretty saree. So background, so this is the color, this is in the pastel pattu saree kada. So the price of this is 2550. It comes with the orange border. So see this color combination. So this is a very rare color combination. Yeah, it comes with this orange color blouse kada. Patko. సో ఇట్లా ఆరెంజ్ కలర్లో డ్యూయల్ షోన్లో వీడియో బ్లర్గా ఉందా? నెట్ ఓకే, నెట్ మేబీ. యా, దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద షైనీ. ఇది ఏం కలరు? ఓకేనా? ఓకే. So if the video is blur also, నేను IGTV video post చేస్తాను, there you can see. So this is in the light shiny grey color, grey background with the orange color combination. So the price of this is 2550. చూపి చాలు. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is ఇది చాలా, I mean this is a very rare collection also. Now it is okay na? Okay, yeah, thank you. So yeah, this is a very 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 pretty saree. ఇలాంటివి ఇంకా only 3 ఉన్నాయి in different colors. So whoever likes to pick a pattu kind of saree in a different color combination, you can go with it. So this is the pallu you will be getting, and blouse I have already shown. The price of this is 2550. This is one of my favorites. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Next, this is golden yellow with the pink color combination. Yeah, this is P5. So this is a self design you will be getting with the golden zari. This is on the background full golden color lo undi, golden with the pink color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. Blouse inside on that. So this is the blouse. బ్లౌజ్ కొంచెం వేవీ డిజైన్లో వచ్చింది. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి వేవీ డిజైన్లో. సో వేవీ డిజైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇట్ లుక్స్ మోర్ గుడ్ వెన్ యూ వేర్ ద బ్లౌజ్. దూరం నుంచి చూడడానికి చాలా వేవీ డిజైన్ గోల్డ్ షైన్లో ఉండి బాగుంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద సారీ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ P6. ఇది కూడా చాలా చాలా బాగుంది విత్ నైస్ ఇట్లా స్టెమ్స్ డిజైన్ ఆన్ ద గోల్డెన్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వచ్చి. దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఇందులో టిష్యూ లేదు ఈ సారీ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్ అనమాట టు వేర్ ఆల్సో విత్ ద పింక్ లైట్ బేబీ పింక్ పట్టు కాంబినేషన్లో వచ్చింది. సో ద ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో 2550. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. hope it's clear kada. The price is 2550. These are all Kanchipuram Malai Pattu sarees. Next, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ చూపించాము. సో వన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్. దిస్ ఇస్ అనదర్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ అండి. దిస్ ఇస్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ గ్రే బాడీ వస్తుంది. సో విత్ ద బేబీ పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. సో ఇది కూడా మై ఫేవరెట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఇది ఎంత బాగుంది చూడటానికి. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ చాలా రేర్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఐ మైసెల్ఫ్ డిడ్ంట్ సీ దిస్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ కొంచెం కాస్ట్లీ శారీస్లో కూడా. మన కాస్ట్లీ శారీస్లో రావు బికాజ్ దే కమ్ ఆన్ దిస్ కాంచీపురం వీవింగ్స్ కదా, అందుకని. సో దిస్ ఇస్ గోల్డెన్ గ్రే షైనీగా ఉంటుంది, బాడీ కూడా ఫుల్. సో ఐ షో. యాక్చువల్లీ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ ఇస్ ద డిజైన్, సెల్ఫ్ డిజైన్. Yeah, the self design you will be having with the pink color, with baby pink color. So this is how it looks. So this is also single piece. Identi M6
M7.
no P7.
P7.
So this is how it looks with the baby pink color combination. So I'm just showing you a farer view.
P6 saree.
Podum. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. I'll just drape it. P6 bro idi. P6. So this is also a single piece. I'm just mentioning in the live video itself that it is a single piece. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful golden grey color combination with the self design weaving. Price is 2550. This is the pallu. Blouse is also absolutely very beautiful. This is in the light lavender shade pink blouse you will be getting. See, so this is the blouse. Lavender pink color you will be getting for the blouse, and this is the border for the blouse. So all these sarees are for 2550. Next, P7. So this is also a single piece. This is in the blue with the, this is also pastel blue with the yellow color combination. I'll just show you the body of the saree. So this is the body of the saree with nice big flower with the yellow color combination. This is also very beautiful saree. This is also pastel saree with pastel blue with not lemon yellow. This is nice yellow color combination. So this is how it looks. Body of the saree vachesi it looks like this with the flower design and all. Okay, yeah, very nice it is. Lost bit. Blouse is also in the yellow color. Other in but yeah. So this is how it looks with nice yellow color patko. Yellow color itla buttas vastundi. On background vachesi silver zari. So farer view it looks like this. Saree with the blouse patko. The body of the saree vachesi itla full flower design vastundi. Hope it's clear kada. So this is how it looks. Pallu. So the price of this saree is 2550. This is the pallu. Short pallu vastundi, cute ga. So yes, this is P7. This is also single piece. This is P7.
P8.
Sorry, this is P8. So ఇది మనం ఇందాక ఫస్ట్ చూసాం కదా విత్ ద పీకాక్ బార్డర్ గోల్డ్ విత్ ద గ్రీన్. సో విత్ ద సేమ్ పీకాక్ బార్డర్ కాకుండా ఇట్లా ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ వస్తుంది బార్డర్లో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. ద కోడ్ ఈస్ P8 ఫర్ దిస్. గోల్డెన్ కలర్ విత్ ద పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఇట్లా గోల్డ్ అని చెప్పినప్పుడు ద బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ప్లెయిన్ గోల్డ్ అండి. ఇట్లా ప్రతిదానికి ఇట్లా సెల్ఫ్గా ఇట్లా ఫ్లవర్ వీవింగ్ అంతా వస్తుంది. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ కూడా మీకు ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, పోగులు రావడం అట్లా ఏమి ఉండదు. సో ఇట్స్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ నీట్లీ డన్. So this is how it looks. Gold with the I don't know bro. Gold with the green color combination. So this is how it looks. My dress I need not restock. The dress I am wearing is already there. Divya, I'll be showing it then. Give me just 5 minutes. I am done. I'll show my dress. Okay, green with the pink color combination. Sorry, cream with the green color combination. So this is the blouse. Blouse is also chaala pretty. In the full green color vastundi blouse kuda. Green pattu. So this is the blouse. Who likes this color combination? Goduma gold color with the green color combination. The price is 2550. Parleda like. So the next one is in the full golden color. Evro indaka full golden adigara, full silver adigara. Somebody. Okay, this is gold with the same contrast yellow color combination. So this is the border of the saree. This is golden color with the same yellow color combination. So this is how it looks. ఇది కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది. కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్ కాకుండా సేమ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చి ఇలా ఉంది ఫ్లవర్స్. సో ఫుల్ ఇంకా మోనోక్రోమ్ కలర్ పట్టు సారీ అనమాట ఇది. సో బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద ఎల్లో పట్టు ఓన్లీ. So this is the blouse you will be getting. This is the blouse. So this is completely a monochrome color combination. From top to bottom కొంచెం సేమ్ కలర్. You can wear nice gold jewelry, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. So for this also, so this is the golden weaving self design you will be getting. So you can see, right? This is how it looks. Pallu is also very cute. Pallu has this leaves design. So this is the pallu. So this is how it looks. The price is 2550. Full golden, full goldy. This is golden with the yellow color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Chala బాగుంది. Gold with the gold కదా అందుకని. So we have last one. So కొన్ని సేమ్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్లో ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్ యూ sarees kada. So just make out for the differences in the border, so you will be able to get it. So this is also in the gold and pink. Before also I have shown you some, I think 2 gold and pink color combination sarees. So the design of this is this. It tissue వస్తుంది, tissue background లో flower colors వస్తుంది. So this is how it looks. చాలా బాగుంది వేసుకుంటే, బికాజ్ ఈ బిగ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్ కమ్స్ ఆన్ అపాన్ ద షోల్డర్, సో ఇట్ లుక్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. దీని డిజైన్ వచ్చేసి, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఇలా క్యాప్ డిజైన్ లాగా వస్తుంది విత్ ఫుల్ గోల్డెన్ బుట్ట. ఓకే, యా, దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. గోల్డెన్ విత్ ద పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషనే హిట్. అందులో ఇది ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ శారీ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఓకే, ఇది చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. దిస్ పర్టికులర్ శారీ అయితే ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ సజెస్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద గోల్డ్ అండ్ పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్ టు టేక్ దిస్, లుక్స్ రియల్లీ రిచ్. సో బ్లౌజ్ కూడా వచ్చేసి పింక్ కలర్ ఇస్తారు, వెనక్కి ఇచ్చేస్తాను బ్లౌజ్. పర్లేదు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి ఈ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. So with this we are done. So all the Malai Pattu sarees which are P1, P2, P3 and cheppinvanta, so the price of all the sarees is 2550. And I have shown some Melody Pattu. చూసాను, ఐ హావ్ షోన్ సమ్ మెలడీ పట్టు సారీస్ కదా. ఆల్ దోస్ మెలడీ పట్టు సారీస్ వచ్చేసి 2250 విత్ ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్. ఫర్ బోత్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్, లైక్ హూ ఆర్ బుకింగ్ ఇన్ ద లైవ్ వీడియో. Yes, to show my dress, ఇది బాందిని జార్జెట్ ఫ్రాక్. Already I have posted colors kada. So these are like very comfortable. So I have some 2 to 3 colors already in my wardrobe. So chana comfortable ga untadi. Either it is summer, winter, rainy, anything. I like falling dresses. So I have put some dresses for myself. So this comes with the butterfly sleeves. In this I have colors also. Colors I think I have posted, and I will be posting other colors as well. So the price of this is 2850. Nice full georgette lining వస్తుంది, very flowy. To wear it on the skin, I myself feel very comfortable. కొంచెం చబ్బీగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళంతా ఫీల్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఫర్ ద ఫ్లోయి డ్రెస్సెస్ ఓన్లీ. నేను కూడా అంతే. ఏమ్మా, ప్లీజ్ స్టాప్ ప్లేయింగ్ విత్ యువర్ హెయిరా? నా హెయిరే కదా, మీ హెయిర్ కాదు కదా. ఓకే, ఎనీవేస్, జోక్స్ అపార్ట్. ఎనీ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ or anything else, you can ask me, or whoever wants to book any sarees that I have shown in this live, you can take a screenshot and you can message me immediately. So any other questions, I have 2 minutes. I'll just spend 2 minutes to answer your questions. So please, anything is there, please do drop me a message here down quick, please. We'll see some messages otherwise. If no messages are there, I think we'll end this live session. Dark colored sarees, dark colored sarees, you can wait for the next live. that would be probably next week. So these are all like a subtle kind of colors and some pastel color combinations. Koncham fancy wear lo like pattu sarees. Anything else? These are Bandhani Georgette. All these sarees are like 2850. We have some colors also posted. You can check out those. Anything else? Issue. Thank you so much, Issue, for passing the comment here. Okay, silver color sarees, ma'am. Next time, please. Silver color sarees. I have silver color combination sarees. This time also I have shown some silver color combinations with the pastel borders. Please okasari check cheyandi. This video I'll be posting on the IGTV. Kurtis, definitely kurtis next coming up. Kurtis daily wear and some cotton frock kurtis lanti kuda. And what else? Delivery to Karnataka. Yes, Karnataka. Yes, we have delivery all over India. I'll try to post the saree pictures. For now it is from the video. You can take a screenshot and you can message. Shruti, height I'm 5'7". Thank you for the compliment. Thank you, Winnie. Ikat suits, I have plenty of ikat suit sets. I'll be posting those collections soon. What else, my dear people? So I think we can end this session here. I think we have a good session. Whoever wants to book aithe, they can take a screenshot. I'll be posting this in the IGTV video. These are some I'm trying to bring you only some affordable collections in the Kanchipuram style. So ivanni baita in any shop you see, it will not be less than 3,500 and 4,000 for sure. Definitely, I'll assure you, because we have been seeing the market kada. So I'm just trying to give you at the affordable prices that people would be able to afford and buy some more clothing from my store. That is what I'm looking for always. Anyways, yes, thank you so much. We'll end the session here. Thank you so much for the people who have joined and who have passed on your feedback and comments. Thank you so much. I have a lot of patience. Okay, thank you so much, Deepika. Okay, looking forward for more live sessions and more good interaction. Yeah, thank you so much. Stay safe at home and happy shopping.